Hello everybody, it's Sherry here with Lamar Pours, and today we're going to do one of my favorite techniques, the Pearl and Cloud Pour Mix. And I did this in various green shades of paint, and I'm calling it Green Tornadoes. So I met this woman named Carla, and she wants to promote me and my art downtown Oceanside. So I was really excited, and I invited her and her wife Linda to come over and watch me paint. So I had it all set up, and I let them even pick out the colors. But I already had decided before I knew they were coming over that I was going to experiment with this green base that I'm putting on there. I was trying to put it underneath my ring pour. I did 2 little ring pours on this painting, and I was hoping that I would get green pearls to come out and not just white pearls. Well, I learned a lesson here. Never experiment when you're trying to impress, because I dripped paint on the canvas, which I normally don't do. And here I am doing that first little cup. And I was just nervous, and I didn't like the green already. So then I poured the second cup and was hoping for the best. Trying to act cool, calm, and collected when inside I'm just panicking, not turning out the way that I hoped it would. And now I'm doing things that I don't normally do. When I'm in the zone, I would never put cloud mix in a little tiny spot there in the middle. That white is just cloud mix. So, yeah, this is a panicked artist at work. So anyway, I'm looking at things and I'm tilting it, hoping to get rid of some of that green. And well, I'm gonna let you go ahead and watch for a minute, and I'll come back in when I make changes. So I'm trying to tilt it and tilt some of that green off, and things are just getting worse. I don't like that big blob of green in the middle. I can't get the second ring pour to come down, get any composition. It's just looking awful, and I think to myself, I've got to take that green off. I have to. As an artist, I know this is not going to work out. So, and I'm thinking, what are they gonna think? And I looked at them and said, you know what? I need to do a repair. I'm going to scrape off the middle of this painting. And I was honest, I said it might not turn out. I might have to start all over again, but I cannot continue with it the way it was. And so I poured in some white base in the middle. I explained to them that I did still want green shadows in the middle. I just couldn't have that giant blob of green in the middle. And I knew by putting enough white base in the middle, hopefully it would bring down the second cup on the right-hand side, and it would, and I could get some composition in it. Now I'm bringing in my air gun to smooth out and to blend in the green and the white. And now it's time to tilt again and hopefully save this painting. Now I'm going to do a big, quick tilt here and get a lot of that base off and hopefully pull down this second cup of the pigment to paint. And I can see that it's moving that way. I'm thinking, we just maybe be able to save this painting. And they were just really, actually it was great that it happened, because they were very interested in my repairing this painting. So now I'm trying to get some composition in here now, and I know I need to do some more tilting. So let me go ahead and watch that. So now I'm looking at it and I'm going, you know what? This looks pretty gosh darn good. The composition is good. I need to leave this alone. I even like those wispy effects of the green in the white negative space that I created in the middle. So I moved it around a little bit more and asked my husband to put the bug net over it. By the way, you guys, I cover all of my paintings with this netting. Keeps bugs and lint and everything away. And this is how it turned out. This is it the next morning. And maybe, you know what? It's really a beautiful painting. Now, I won't lie to you. It's not my favorite painting, and I don't love the green. But the effects in both of the ring pour cups that I poured, they really are pretty. And the colors are bright, brilliant. The gold came out, and it's really got some beautiful effects in this painting. I really was surprised it turned out as well as it did. It's definitely top quality. The effects look great, and here it is up on the wall. It really did turn out beautiful, and I really appreciate you all watching, and we'll see you at the next video. Bye now.